The Cerwin-Vega V84DV2 Subwoofer delivers impressively deep and controlled bass for its compact 8-inch size, making it a strong upgrade over factory car audio. Its dual four-ohm voice coils and integrated impedance selector give you flexible wiring options, so it can be matched easily to a wide range of amplifiers and system designs. The stamped basket and single-stacked motor structure are built to handle high power reliably, allowing the subwoofer to play hard without obvious strain or distortion. A rigid carbon fiber infused cone and durable surround help this driver stay accurate under heavy load, so bass notes remain tight rather than muddy. Thoughtful details like horizontally mounted spring-loaded terminals make installation cleaner and more secure, especially in tight enclosures. Overall, this subwoofer suits enthusiasts who want strong, musical low-end in a relatively small enclosure without sacrificing build quality or long-term durability.